serious like na so bad you do.
What's my problem? This one they do so they make beaucoup people and they were taught it there. I tell you something.
So what will they make today?
Of course. The people today another dinner we had. You know, as we always they come from different angles. On the last program before this, we be given a small thing we just prepare with a spaghetti.
Pepper soup, pepper.
You know, now you call it pepper soup. People are not saying a spaghetti. But today we decide for giving this one way. I know I'm calling him quick because some of them don't miss some of them get for can miss some because the kind of they make this get for sweet. That's salon Kokumba Grosu.
Kokumba Grosu.
You understand? I don't say look where they were to right now. Because I asked themselves. Remember.
He are all on K-Trata. Anyway, but continue. But Justin, since we make Kokumba Grosu, I don't know if it would be nice for let we just begin with one fashion contest. Fashion contest.
I didn't see you.
I see pictures them of where I go let follow na see. When I watch this first picture, how that is? Victor Fo.
Now make a cut my finger on the left also. Because then can go tell what they see so. I don't know if na overall or na midi or na coat.
Okay, watch the other one. Kutubu this so.
Ah, that's how they talk big go in America.
Yes, I like that guy there. Get fine coats then.
Now you better overall so.
Okay, where this other one now? IG.
But the thing when you want to ask, since na contest, could you wear the IG? Would I answer passing company?
Kutubu 5 pass IG.
Ah, you sure? But IG na serious so.
If you be better than no smile. Okay, wait. We don't left one person. Where the AG, the Attorney General.
Hey, boy, yourself.
I not see the machine skipping your picture.
Why it so?
It's a very good goat like IG.
How you turn so? How you turn so? It's happened.
Family. You know say this week here so all the way to the COI, Commission of Inquiry, other in business. People in the call me Commission of Inquiry, other in property and this, other in this, other in that, for pay this amount. Waiting at me one day per odd money. When me papa not chairman. People that if you don't do, you do. Then say what put input. Let take it. If you don't throw ashes not go follow you. So who's one me only now pan Commission of Inquiry. Now so the other day, but Justin get locker for don't talk as loud. They can't tell me say they call me name. Then sabi me name.
But yeah, you don't mean that the right paper.
Then sabi me name.
They seize you it.
Yeah.
You it.
Me also when they value and force they go nothing also they no forces. But what so? One house then a McKinney.
Now wait till the smell.
One house then a McKinney.
It's a good house there.
Don't left that day 49 important. Family, that jump go to other things. What's that go back?
Well, my people, I feel say today we get small tea for chamot with tuna. You know, one talk day where they go around on the social media, and not only go around, we don't see proofs them, you know, and BBC again don't come and tell you waiting at the thing when at the issue of banning Sierra Leoneans for go now America.
It's the visa then.
You know, and not only Sierra Leone and them the people there, but we concern but Sierra Leone and them because now they we dey, now we had. So many people are really this it don't really matter we because we know say it don't affect people right now, and it affects other people them. So man want go study. So man want go do in business. If now they don't come back and say people from Riyadh, not they go America. Now that talk we just want, let we now can talk small today. As they make me concumba grosu.
Two things when they say responsible for that day. Two things. One, you get for do it, and two, you get for do it. But no go know Zayo. When they come back, gist now. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All waiting you get for do, press this red subscribe button And then you come over here and press this bell. So the bell option, press this one with all. And done. And no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
Welcome back. This na your program. We had. As una know, we can there for make we laugh small, but at the same time, we dey tell una things them where they benefit me and you. No can call me Kokuba, una begin back to today.
No, I just want to help you no more.
So, my people, we get plenty things today in the basket for discuss with una. As una all know we had, this now we work and we go do take go.
My name na Aliu.
And me, na Justin.
This now we had, you know that. Now you had, we know that. Now we all had, we know that. USA, United States of America, why they for ban we?
Well, the question, they go to a big one there, what we put before, now we had.
Two things where we don't dey go under the ground. Remember say we caretaker and a wife, then they go on honeymoon. What's that they go honeymoon again?
The Great Lebanon.
Okay, and the Lebanon with America and the other one them, they're not a pull at all. What do you do?
Because Lebanon, now they the most fearful group where they cause trouble. Now different parts of the world, they win at the Israel.
Well,
now excuse me.
What we caretaker bingo do na Lebanon? Why we caretaker bingo only honeymoon na Lebanon? Waiting the Lebanon. Look where people in the Yagba themselves dey. This better the Yagba all day, better medical facility all day. Although yes, Lebanon medical facility better pass we have facility. Yeah, but waiting better day when you compare to other side and at the same money if na no more go spend. But this thing just coincide. The time we caretaker go on honeymoon na Lebanon. Now in the United States of America say, oh, we dey go na this number. So you see the again. According to the one that we sabi then say, USA jealous because we had to go na Lebanon. So you see the again. Watch inside you. But now that's no more.
Well, really, the people we get concern, not concern you left me confused. We get a concern of this Lebanon issue. We don't lead for ban with people so they like today. You know, now some of them things here we they talk now we had where people they call we all kind names. But as I always they say, we ready for accept now. The names they own they call we, the sound now put we. But hey, we had now we all you now. We just give the caretaker temporal for make it look after we had, not forever. We will feel say if the caretaker they do anything that we had, if we do something where they benefit you now we had. Now when the Lebanon trip become, we all sit down, we talk some man can call, some man can talk in. Now this it only two. You say for be the kind talk. The court say therefore go on private visit. You know concern nobody. Now president, hey, we not say them president let caretaker not go. But at this time and the area where in go, now it not be good. Wait till we dey talk. Now we all don't receive them. So this is not the result.
That's not just one. And number two, of course, the thing we make the one for where them ban with them say we have not really take in people within the United States for let them return back about 1,000 people. But what do we understand? Most of the one in there where they want for deport so not to we Adonians them. Then just get we had passports no more, not to Sierra Leoneans them at all. Then don't take passports, don't sell and give them, and now they don't become Sierra Leonean by money. Now they don't go become criminal, hardcore criminal in the United States, where they say they for come out and go back now we are. And they don't come they say not to we are even a day. Look, for example, one time there were two Jamaican then send and go back now we had because they get salon passport and not all we had there ever day. So you see?
But Aliu, yes, that's true. Some of them people here not so we had them come out. But because we get on serious people them where we can put before now their offices there, now it they cause this.
This make I can always tell you say, you ready for vote the other time. Check people in background, check the record them, let you know how they time before you vote. You not agree. Now you don't see what in the happen now. You they can't turn to winner for low talk. We dey talk because of that is you for. But wait up, I get one video I will play concerning passport business.
I remember you that video. I feel forget.
You not feel say we for just make low watch waiting caretaker in talk.
Let people watch waiting caretaker be let people watch waiting caretaker. This represents caretaker being talk concerning passport business. Let us help you this case.
Okay, yeah, see, not good man, they not lie. He say yes, they may sell, but not to indirectly, but they may supervise. Not to you directly, but you be supervised.
Well, my people, una really don't see now say this thing where they go on, we caretaker in and inside. If you not to you sell, Aliu, now me and you this way, now my brother. I can remember you one day. I tell you say, Aliu, you crazy. The next person we see down there, you say.
Say you na me party.
He say because me na me party, we all too crazy. So now so it sound like this, me people them. If caretaker don't come, tell we say, not to sell, but it be part of. Now today, una look. This don't tell we say, some of them caretaker who they vote in for me they can represent we. They not really get that act for represent we in a genuine way. Either then they can represent we for their own benefit and their family. What's it on the show? What's it, Jack? You are going to be better.
No, talk
to the people there.
So now the other tone, you don't see something now they get now twist you. People then get to a passport, they not ever family with me. Then the second one, this Lebanon business, all can it just happen the time way if we go honeymoon. You understand eh? Anyway, now that one. But you know say not of Ambado, plenty people they come will say from when this government take over. When the new direction begin for turn to the new direction, Tino they go before you know they can be end. We will not defend what happen. Don't they go all over for fair answer to any. We don't need to have a fair answer. We don't need to have a fair answer to that, but we don't even forget any answer to that. Do you understand it? But if each one time, something just flash now we eye. Now in knock we yes. Now we say no listen back. Now we say oh, you know say one SLPP imam. Now in the time when we caretaker take over, he pray. Say let we country no go before.
Ali wait first ba. Oh man they can cook, so man they talk about but now they are vast.
I'm glad we talk that day. Some of you when you watch show, whether lady you have the cook in the kitchen, but try cook I make so.
The abase pan pits me eye.
And your boss they cut so in eye all the month. When I expect two man there. Anyway, I ask you a question. You know say picture imam pray for let the country no go before.
Well, some people can take and light, but some word them when they come on a you motaman imot, you get for very be careful.
Because we now we believe in Christian and Muslim. And we believe say anytime when we pray, God will answer.
All this now for make una know waiting the happen at National Stadium where the SLPP imam go talk one word say
in the pray for lady yard static.
We don't know if he not really understand the word where he talk, the meaning of static. We don't know if na stable it one measure.
Yes, stability.
Or stability. So. But according to the word we come on in mouth, He said in a pray for the people of Salon we had static. Static mean me people them. For una we not understand. Now we put on down to the all level. Static mean something we just dey one side like where this plate in appear so. You know they go so, you know they cancel.
It just dey one
side. And this imam now swear it is swear the country. But when politics we don't can inside we, nobody not be pick up this thing. They like it today, indeed what he talk. We don't see things that they happen way similar to the swear what is swearing.
So, Lord just give them the opportunity. Maybe I hear that guy that says, "Una petty, all kind petty, small thing they una dey come with." Not all we you know say we elect a petty with it. Make sure say we make them big. Una watch this video where this hip hop imam been there. They give we yo hip hop. They pray. They swear we country and nobody know able for catch up when they come back juice now.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar wa lillahi alhamd.
Well, the chief imam already don't take in place as they try for call the program to order. And as we all know, for whatever program they start, we know so for recognize the presence of the Almighty. Well, now the chief imam don't on board.
Journey, we don't come to the end, but we don't take another dimension. The new direction of His Excellency, the President, retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio. Long ago, the dream of Sierra Leone, then once this begin, this president, so let's lead this nation. At this point, we say, now God, we don't call upon all these years. We don't call upon God all these years. We they ask inside the new direction. We don't want Matoman in this country again. Inside the new direction. We they ask God, we don't want devil in this country again. When they ask God inside the new direction, we know what advantage for this country again. And they read the surah where they read now for let this nation be static. Let this nation be static. Let this nation be static. Bada Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
I beg Imam, stop play. Not pray that prayer for we. You know want that. Justin.
Anyway,
Father Bismillah. I want you pray for we. Let us counter this prayer where this Imam be don't pray. Inshallah.
May God help we all that we are.
Amina.
This swear, where this Imam swear say, let we
country not go before.
We yard, let we yard not go before. Papa God, do you sorry for we and move it from this Imam. In swear,
Amina.
We don't swear.
Give me one dua.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Amin.
Kulu Allahu ahad.
Amin.
Allahu samad.
Amin.
Olam yolid.
Amin.
Olam yulad.
Amin.
Olam yakul.
Amin.
Kufan ahad.
Amin.
Alhamdulillah. Rabbil alamin. Let God help we are.
Amina. Amin ya Allah. Allahu Akbar. You see how the hip hop come? Allahu Akbar. Anytime when they give pastor or imam prayer for pray, he allow any other thing where they around them for lead them another way, it they become problem.
But I don't know why we had past. I don't know why some of we imams them now we are and some of we pastors them all not on politicians.
Well, normally inside we are to believe in Muslim and Christian. So when the political party they form, they all get the Muslim and Christian imam or pastor. But for let you allow politics for right up here, you know you wait till it talk. It's talk, but anyway, that you pray, you swear, swear so. Let God just fall and back, and it not even give you. Let God fall him, and then he make let we country go before. We want let we country go before. Here we are. Allahumma amin. Let we country go before. What's that they pull this, man?
Important.
Then God make static. I'm not saying stability one talk. I mean because of the advantage where they talk about all of that and they.
Now the politics now not enter, so you don't even know waiting in the talk where will be good for we are. This is the problem.
Let no too much labor on that day. I feel say we for go before small. So I think say na that day. But you don't know what will happen. The biggest thing.
As you tell me.
I've been telling you about the pie in.
Let me tell you one thing first, Ali. You get for do most of the talking today. You want miss me concuba and you are busy for make me concuba. You get for let give me a kill. Go to give them no more at the camp.
You don't begin make concuba. Look the fly. All don't begin come.
Now because the concuba switch, then they feel the concuba.
Pull out.
Now they can't. Left hand. It's a girl like for leave. Thief man, what's in there?
I get up.
I don't mind that granny man now.
Finger soup. Nothing in the happen. Finger soup. So I be asking the other day. Say, waiting at me on the power money.
Oh, you papa not so good here.
Commission of Inquiry. Let's start with the former caretaker. He get our oath. Nah, how they call it? McKinney. He get one oath. Na God reach. Then say he get one oath. Na Bluebell. Then say he get oath. Yeah, the oath them boko. Now, the current caretaker don't say they go enforce the law. Commission of Inquiry say them for seize their oath and they all then pay back. But wait, you know what I like say. This caretaker, you don't aim that us na McKinney way one for the don't they?
Man, I don't know.
That was the final.
I don't know.
If you see the fence then.
So you want to tell me say the present caretaker one sees the also
for later
in the turn of presidential
lodge. Exactly. So we go na McKinney and they go ball lane. But wait, who side that part they pull out money they for make that thing there?
Well, Aliyu, me not go able answer that one day. Until now, then they in front of the law. Now the law will able to tell we if the oath is genuine, not a government couple or a government couple. We just believe say when they do that here, make it be genuine and transparent. Make her not come and hold you property because she belong to this political party. Make her not come and hold you property because I feel say you not threat towards me own party. But if waiting they do so, then they do it in the interest of we pray they will succeed. But if they do it in the interest of themselves, we pray this not going to say.
The caretaker in his statement say this particular commission of inquiry will be the last one. Simply waiting the try for make corruption expensive.
No, not even go before. I believe say the caretaker just talk that one day because it did in front of camera.
Well, now that's what I'm talking. In the time for say it will make corruption expensive so much that people are not going to put up on corruption again. But now two things. Whether witch hunt or whether corruption. Commission of Inquiry after this government, another commission of inquiry get for day. And as by Kuma begin commission of inquiry, then go 1, 2, 9 cut off, they don't continue. Eh?
Oh yeah, of course.
Now this commission of inquiry don't come. Now they say, then for do, then see the way the recommendation don't say them for do. And caretaker say them for infect them to the letter.
Our only option is to confront corruption head on and fight it boldly and resolutely. It is a fight we must fight. It is a fight we must win because it is a fight for the very soul of our nation. We have made great progress over the last 2 years. National and international indicators have lauded our great success. We are encouraged by the success, but we must sustain the fight against corruption for our collective national good and for the future of our children and this nation. As the Attorney General and Minister of Justice has stated, the commissions have we are tasked with conducting independent, fair, thorough, and impartial investigations into allegations of corruption and abuse of public office, and to make relevant findings and appropriate recommendations. All persons who were summoned to the commissions of inquiry we are not summoned because of their ethnic group, their religion, or their political party. They were summoned because they had been entrusted with the supreme responsibility to serve Sierra Leone. It is their conduct as individuals and their decisions while they served this country that were the subject of close scrutiny by the commissions. So these commissions of inquiry should also serve as a strong warning to serving officials that you have a duty of care to make the best decisions and act always in the best interest of citizens of this country and of the nation. When one is appointed to serve one's country, one must also do so honestly, fairly, and with justice and diligence and compassion. Do not make Sierra Leoneans, especially the children, youth, and women, victims of your greed. Although the Anti-Corruption Commission has the statutory mandate to combat corruption and investigate unlawfully acquired wealth, particularly in the public sector, the general public hardly gets an opportunity to actively and regularly follow up on most of the particularly high-profile investigations and prosecutions because the operations of the ACC are mostly covered in execution. The Commission of Inquiry gave an opportunity to the people of this country to ardently follow the stewardship of persons in authority and see firsthand how some of those persons betrayed the public trust that was reposed in them by the people of Sierra Leone. Citizens are reminded also that they must actively but fairly question errant leaders. It is your civic duty to question unexplained wealth. But citizens are also reminded that when ministers or parastatal heads steal or fraudulently convert state resources, they do so not to make themselves and their immediate family members comfortable. When corrupt leaders build mansions and accumulate huge bank accounts, it is not for their ethnic groups, region, political party to live on, but for themselves. It is for themselves and for their immediate families. We've had several commissions of inquiry in post-independence Sierra Leone. But Sierra Leoneans seem to have learned little to nothing from those past inquiries. We are determined to make this the last commission of inquiry in this country. This is not the usual charge, convict, levy tepid punishments, and reinstitute or reinstate as soon as citizens turn the other way. Once and for all, we are determined to draw a line. Public officials must serve with integrity and they must be above reproach at all times. These commissions were indeed about transparency and accountability and nothing else. So let me thank the Attorney General's office for spearheading the process. The staff who were attached to the various commissions, including investigators and security personnel, public persons who appeared at the commission to testify, and those who gave information that was helpful to the work of the commission. I also thank journalists who covered the sittings of the commissions in an open and transparent manner and for the benefit of both local and international audiences. Permit me, ladies and gentlemen, to name the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, SLBC Television, a public broadcaster, and the Africa Young Voices, AYV Television, a privately owned broadcasting station. I also acknowledge and thank civil society, religious and community leaders, and other stakeholders who saw these commissions for what they are and the best traditions Israeli for asking questions for which they deserve answers. I again thank the commissioners for carrying out thorough, independent, fair and impartial investigation into the allegations of corruption and abuse of public office to make relevant findings and provide appropriate recommendations to the government of Sierra Leone for our consideration. We are mindful that time and space could not permit an inquiry of this nature to cover every single economic, financial and administrative activity of the immediate past government. But the commissioners did their best in the circumstances. They all served meritoriously. Government has carefully looked at the report of the commissions and the recommendations. The white paper documents the recommendations the government has accepted in the best interest of the people of Sierra Leone. Unlike other commissions, citizens are assured that this government will fully implement all the recommendations. I repeat, government will implement all the recommendations to the letter. The publication of this report is done pursuant to Section 149, subsection 2 of the Constitution of Sierra Leone, 1991, Act number 6 of 1991. The reports of the various commissions of inquiry established by the constitutional instruments numbers 64, 65, and 67 of 2018 are officially published together with their white papers. The Office of the Attorney General and Minister of Justice is instructed to effect the recommendations of the commissions of inquiry to recover all monies recommended to be returned to the people of Sierra Leone and to confiscate all assets recommended to be confiscated and all other such penalties as recommended. Persons and entities affected by the recommendations are guaranteed a peaceful and transparent judicial appeal process through which they can seek relief. So let me therefore caution every Sierra Leonean that the rule of law is supreme in this country. That the rule of law is supreme in this country. Those who may wish to incite or engage in unrest and violence in order to obstruct the process of implementing the full enforcement of the recommendations will be subject to the full force of the law. This is not the last of investigations into corruption by former leaders. The ACC and other law enforcement agencies are mandated to investigate issues that the commissions of inquiry did not have sufficient time to investigate. Investigations, arrest, and prosecution for corruption will continue as long as they are permissible within the laws of our country. Let me conclude by formally receiving the reports of the Commission and the white paper as mandated by laws of this country. These are the reports and the white papers. And I have the opportunity and the privilege to formally launch these ones and also use the opportunity again to warn our fellow compatriots that they carry the full force of the law. Thank you all for your attention.
Do what they say. Do me do, Swande, do me do. Do me do, Sumande, something they na ya, Sumande do. Oh, we have. But wait to now we sit on them days there. Just 3 years, approximately 3 years. Then the label for JJ Safa almost host them, almost business them, they don't establish. Then how they call this place? Beach.
Well, now if I tell you, say, the word we caretaker say, this commission of inquiry will be the last one. I tell you, say, let's stop. They just talk and because, and they try for talk, for make other people listen. Because, wait till we don't begin see so. Wait till we don't begin see so. Right? I put the paper, I don't mix up, I don't put it on there. Waiting, we don't begin see so now. It look like, say, if it continue, the commission of inquiry, where any other government will get for can sit on back, they do, it get for us past this. Because we not go no side, we don't see rest don't loss. We not go no side, we don't see money they don't the loss. We not go no side, any last tap day. I just know say if thing not change, it look like say the other commission of inquiry where the other government where God go say now they can sit on back now we are, they bring in the worst past this one.
Okay. So now another thing where we go look at. When anybody where they sit down, caretaker now, minister there, instead of they invest their money now in the country, they will take and they can on the other side them. Because they know who wants, let the other government where they come for seize them property them.
Well, I think say that day, not to today it begin happen now we are. If it don't happen, these are some of the things them where some of we can talk are always the rich them who are the vex power. Aliu, let's take at them this Aliu, let we look at them this way. Yeah. If you get two picking them, right? You get the daddy, you get them to pick here. The one, it thief you, but when it thief, it bring that money back to a mommy na house. It say let we cook, let we eat. It buy furniture they can't put in a house. And that pick you when they thief you, it move from the house, it go to another house. For them go benefit, what it thief you now you house, you will get them. Then to pick here, which one will you prefer?
Thief not pass thief, but the way they carry it back, where thief from me, it go give him mama for let them cook because I'm not responsible. I think him better.
When the people them, I bring this and ask me brother for let we know what they go on. A talk of say people them go afraid tomorrow for even invest in the country. Where the thief, where now we people them will put before for control we are there. But I think say if fine, we don't support somebody the thief. But me, to me, your opinion, before you thief, now we are there, you go to other man country, you go develop the, when you thief now we are, they are the big una make something back now we are, when they make we are look fine, when they make, we the youth say now we are, get way for get job. But the problem of we politicians in now we are is this. We know call names now, but me and una know, if we check back the history, we get big guns that we don't take plenty couple. Now we are now and go to another man country and go invest at the end of the day. It not even benefits them, it not benefit the country. So let we do them small. Because if then they are, let's say, the former caretaker, a thief, yeah. Not a problem. Thief not only they can say thief, not only say he not thief. But so until they see a paper right now, the thief for a thief, he puts that money back in the country. I think say in as much as we press him, let we do him serve full.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pauline last word. That's what you say. That's what Justin said. I think it make a whole lot of sense because if not to that day, when they begin see us then the other side them. But they begin see. Remember first time everything they do? Just test me. Remember first time everything they do?
Don't take this problem on it. No problem.
You don't know?
Because right now you don't torment.
Remember that everything they do? I allow you to go.
go shoot.
Guy, no. Kokumba go super. They enjoy your life.
Now go make less of man they pull back
But not put salt on.
Hey, no, they wait. How you rush fast me so?
No, put not small for you. Are you mind for that put?
Put some more put.
Una saw you. Because it's like say this year. Where they gone so? Anyway, things must go on now we had. And we had more sweets. Just a bit some since I did the work. And more sweets we had. It's sweet. Today just in try, not put pepper try. So you see, I don't know no more now. I get for Talek. But you will find ladies be as an example. But you remember one time when they talk about them teachers and when they put a cutting tree. When they put them teachers in that cutting tree, mean like one person will say yes, it's fine. At least if this don't begin, so they will continue with all. So corruption will done. Now I can't take a guy apologize, say no, let them stop her. So the one they they punish and then suffer, it lost to them. They want they will thief less. They want they will thief this and that. Nothing not come up in them. Nothing.
Well, now this have been talked. Now one of the programs say, wait till they do the teachers and soon at 43. When they go push the end card. Other man papa, other man uncle.
Like animal.
You know, the end card panam. Ben Kelfa like they start the race. Very decent and fine. Yeah. But me have been talked before camera and I say, Ben Kelfala. Yeah. I've been talked before camera and I say, make you able to continue this work. But we don't see things them where, I don't know if now you name it they follow right now, Ben Kelfala, because according to Creole, when they say Ben, now something not straightforward. We don't see a bunch of wolf them don't take rest. At the end of the investigator matter, because you belong, we know you get no good result. You say, we not get no exhibit. But come on, that is an issue. Though we don't talk about them, if you investigate nothing like what you expect, no come on, where the rest, we still not see them. We don't say they allege, but chief minister say it thief money. That case they not gonna say, we not pull on. But when other people from other angle, then they get problem. Like the time you Ben Kelfala, they not chest and make like say you straightforward. We don't know what they go on, but we feel say if we is not start to let teachers and then poor teachers and they, when if this is some of them they cheat for even pay them, not problem. But yes, still not come out and disgrace them publicly. If we not been continue this, we feel say me, I don't commend you. But for what they go on so. For me, my opinion, Mr. Ben Kelfala, you're not able to do nothing it, and it look like say you're not even able that office will they give.
Hey, Justin, Ebulam, I just that they follow a name, but Ebulam, not talk them what they do not find. Anyway, I don't think say against us for talk again. I'm not able to talk again. This is a Kokumba, gone soup. Now it.
You talk, and they're gonna twist fish. I can go the show now again. Now we are today. No, let's don't go up. Now you don't go up. Now they do it this way, quick.
What can you say there?
You better. Now they plant them. Will they able to survive?
So, that one una before I go. Una, we want for team up against the recommendation. Caretaker. They don't say them go enforce the law. Una take it easy. Me no take no more. Jump a man. I need to own a journalist. Waiting a name me. You know sabi there. We jump a man to own a journalist.
Well. May I talk to the caretaker no more? Caretaker, we know they are against you today right now. Now, fine things start so. If I know, but what Chibako, you do fine thing. If the business change, no wetin dey do. Because right now, nothing no hype. We know say where this don't happen so. But off una, una get for the bill hostel now. They go put una girlfriend their name. Una dey build houses them. They go put una step picking their name. Not even una picking them. But right now, nothing no dey hide. Then thief here one less stop. Wetin begin fine. So as far as una don begin so they continue this. NGC Canapa tomorrow, we dey put fire. C4CO, we dey put fire. APCO, we dey put fire. So we know they against what you dey pass so, but all the Babala money are already lost. We sabi some ministers then are only the jam aid for go eat cookery. From 1 to now they approach 3 years. So man don't build house. We sabi some ministers them, they be there England, they be there London, they be there America. Tash ourselves they don't get now we are. But today
they get
Babala mansions them. We are the watch.
Pauline last word, yes so now that too. No get Bokutin. But we number will be used first, we don't change them. Yeah? This is our number now. If you want to talk with me, just drop for you message at this number here, waiting at the screen. And if you want to join the WhatsApp group, also we can discuss politics. 10 cents politics, but we need content now. We need content now. We need send bad thing and all. But we discuss politics. All man young business did it. APCS, all man did it. Come and join me. Follow the link down in the description box and join the group. Yeah. We love you. What's in the apple in season? In season, what's in the apple? So low take time and make sure say you will fail. Let all be safe, yeah? Until this is the season. So we will go before. You understand, eh? We are now, we all young. Go on, wait for. Let's ask this question before I go. How comes the commission of inquiry? Yet, boku, some house the day, we don't ever get owner. How comes it happen?
Na magic.
We are, they don't, they be the big host then away, not get name at all.
And then, Mr. They asked me a question. Caretaker, how comes you just can't show me the white paper? Where the report, wait for back the white paper? We don't have nothing but the report, so now white paper you no more can see.
And normally, when you do the report, you supposed to pull the report, then you do a abridged version, shorter one, summarize it for less. Some people who not read boku go understand and fast, but that don't happen. But not a problem. And you want to they say they go court.
What? You know, can't tell me say I the thief no more. I agree say I the thief. Me say what deny? We get start for going to the court. The court now they go prove me wrong. All right.
Justin,
so they be able now.
The team are left with you. Anybody we not able to explain how he billions, we not able to explain how he get money. Please let them take her back and send her to the States. But let them send her to the States. How that they take her? Normally when they can say you this na mistake for boyfriend and girlfriend business, this na mistake are the main one I go take her.
And the same white paper where you say All Stars, the president they inside the collabo. But I look at Tianche Giatika, no it's they do Artists for Peace and other one them. We don't see and we don't hear you say they go take money for Corona song. And legit the Corona song who know say and understand say they don't even give money. Now you hear it. Me that Corona song they take today and not even hear you say they play them now yet. But they take plenty thousands of dollars.
This for that for be example to people them say. Not to all kind of government business if for play with. But anyway, until we get for meet up na court, outside them go say other thing and they happen. Me they inside make gun soup pan, they enjoy themselves. See you again next week. But anyway, before I go, we dey come to another channel where basically na for woman them. Then go they make for you don't beat them, then hear them and other things them. Two fine young lady them. And then go to do that in there. Until we meet again, my name is Aliyu, right inside the gun soup pan.
And until we meet again, another video, when I join me for make we eat the gun soup. But if not fortunate to come today, the next program, I will give you another thing.
And if I know it's sweet, you want? Agree, eh? You know, so I don't give you. Alright,
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All what you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It not get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don't help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.